3, Cartman!
Janet, I do solemnly vow to love, support, care for, to challenge, to try to show tenderness and strength. I will be there for you.
You see through my unemotional exterior to the soft insides I work so hard to hide. We love you all and we really appreciate you being here.
You're here.
I cherish you both. I love you, I support you, and look forward to all the new adventures that both of you have.